DYTZ. This your boy Church from South Baltimore. Oh, well, yeah, just do that for me, because we feeding the homeless tomorrow, so. No, we only got like 20 sandwiches, so just grab a handful. About 1 or 2 after we get out, put out right there under the bridge where the homeless people be. Yeah, she can. You gonna make something for him? He asked for some sweet potatoes.
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
What y'all doing?
I'm on my YouTube. Say what's up to my YouTube, Ma.
Ma.
She listened to some Cosby Show music.
Church said say hi to his YouTube. He said say hi to his YouTube.
Oh, hi, YouTube.
They said hi, Ma.
Yeah, she want to build somebody. Bye, girl. Call me you lead a function.
She's somewhere listening to the Cosby Show. What it do, YTZ? All right, y'all. I'm right here. I finally got my package. It's been like a month. So we got about how many pairs of this? 6 pair of boxes. 6 or 7. 6, 7. I don't know what none of them look like. I don't remember. It's been so long ago, so we ready to see. Corn liquor. First pack. See, they usually got what it looked like, but I don't see it on this one. I don't think they make fake. They make fake ETHIKA box.
Oh, I'm just talking about
Oh, straight out of what? But that's the night.
These nuts.
Straight out of ETHIKA. I like these. These are. I might rock. You liking them too, though?
Can't wait to see what they're on. Jingle bell. Hey, what that mean? Say I want to be boss so I can hang with my man.
ETHIKA got that shit together.
Tough. Yeah.
They got whole new styles.
I dare you try to let them over, bitch. I rip them off for you.
We got all flavors, y'all. Is these true to size?
Yeah, I think they look like they're your normal ones. Oh, they cute too, right?
They slick.
Look at the front of them.
Oh yeah, they hard.
Leo the lion.
They nice.
Oh.
Got me all in these tiger prints.
Against a print. Oh,
now these for my Steelers. When the Steelers play,
cute.
When the Steelers play,
Oh,
I'm rocking
I
these.
had them myself. They is cute.
Get that big butt in these.
I can.
One more, y'all.
Ones.
They dope. Oh, it's 2 more. My bad. Yeah, I like that. It's giving me kid and play. Yeah, I want some regular shorts look like these. They'd be hard, baby. I think they'll start making the shorts. They got shorts?
Just like all underclothes.
And stuff for girls with big butts. So that's all I see on my timeline. I don't know where they getting them boxes from there. Y'all got action on there or something? Okay. I think they got their shit together. These dope. All right, y'all. Let me know which one's the best ones. Which ones you like the best, yo? I might rock these tonight.
I think my favorite one is the them ones.
Which one? Don't matter.
It don't matter.
All right, so look, I'm about to throw all the boxes up in the air. And whatever one she grabbed, that's the one I'm gonna wear tonight.
Just keep it over there.
Oh, let me make sure they
Close
all.
your eyes.
What you mean, close my eyes?
Just close your eyes when you get ready to throw them so you don't see which ones I choose.
Ready, set, go. Let me see. Hey, yeah, these are the best ones. Yeah. Peace out. Nigga, I'm a bullshitter, wig splitter, trap nigga. Yeah, you a cat.